Hello world! In this video I'd like to share two additional great skills for your coding agents, which you can use in order to get better results as well as to save tokens and therefore money. First one is the Andrew Karpathy skill. You find it on GitHub for free, you can download it there. And it basically tells you coding agent four simple facts. The first one is that it should think before coding. And there it states what it actually means by that. Then simplicity first, that's the next one, to ensure that your coding agent doesn't create something, well, over sophisticated for something which is not required, right? And then there's surgical changes, and finally there's a goal-driven execution. That is basically the skill. It's short, and you can, as I said, download it, you can add it to your coding agents and add it to your Claude.ND file and see whether they get better results or not. That's the first one. The second skill is a so-called caveman skill, and this is really to save money. You can also find it on GitHub for free, and the basic idea is that instead of having a really detailed answer from your coding agent, you basically get a caveman style answer. So your code is still complete, but the explanation of the code and so on, this is really short and concise, and that's the idea behind Caveman. And you can also have a look at it. You can either install it via npx, or you can have a look at the skill itself. You can also download it, and here you find basically how it works. But that's basically the idea behind that. So these are the two skills I have for you. As I said, the first one regarding Andrew Karpathy should help your agent to create better code, a simpler code, and to avoid errors which it creates, or maybe to bloat your code, so to speak. And the second one, the caveman skill, is really for saving tokens and therefore saving money. So that's it. You can find both of them on GitHub. Try them out. As always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.